Before you can tame the Draig Goch, you must take a test. Huh? So, I've been doing Welsh on Duolingo, in addition to some other ways. But mostly on Duolingo for about 9 months now. And I've reached the first checkpoint. So checkpoint number 1 in the Welsh course on Duolingo. So, it is a challenge that's covering all of the first unit. Am I going to pass? Am I going to fail? Let's find out. Prynhawn da, sut dych chi'n eisiau dysgu Cymraeg? This is my Lingo Kingdom, where I talk about learning the languages of the Isles. Gaelic, Nihongo, and Cymraeg. Time for the Welsh test. No pressure, right? No pressure. Okay. So I've done all these lessons, I think all of them at least twice. And here is the checkpoint. Start. It won't be easy with no hints or grading. Oh, I didn't know there would be no hints. Oh no. How do you say watching? Gwylio?
Gwylio. Mis Mai.
Mis Mai. I'm going to lower that volume a bit. That is May, I think. How do you say a dress? Blouse? Blouse?
Dych chi'n bwyta'r granc?
Dych chi'n bwyta'r cranc. I think that's, do you eat the crab? Or do you eat crab? Something like that. Okay, that's lemon. Thankfully spelled the same as in English, I think. Okay, I need to turn the volume up so I can hear that. Nakadu.
Nakadu. Dwi ddim eisiau bacwn.
Nak edu. Du. What was it?
Nac. Ydw. Dw. I. Ddim. Eisiau. Bacwn.
Dwi ddim eisiau bacwn.
Nac ydw. Dwi ddim eisiau bacwn.
Okay. No, I do not want bacon. I'm a shopkeeper. Okay, this one's kind of hard. I know shop is like shop or something. But I am? Shop. Shopur? I thought there wouldn't be hints. Dwi shopur? I hope that's right.
Dych chi'n gwerthu esgidiau rhedeg?
Say it again?
Dych chi'n gwerthu esgidiau rhedeg?
Esgidiau rhedeg. I've never done one of these while being filmed, so keep that in mind. Rhedeg. Running shoes.
Dych chi'n gwerthu esgidiau rhedeg?
Dych chi'n...
Dych. Achyn. Gwerthu. Esgidiau. Rhedeg.
Esgidiau. Rhedeg? Or is there an H there? Rhedeg. Not but rhedeg. Gwerthu. Gwerthu. I think I misspelled gwerthu, but I think that is, I'm not buying running shoes, something like that. Problem with some of the verbs in Welsh that always confuse me is a lot of them are GW. So it's like gwylio, gweithio. I get those mixed up. Gwisgo. Yeah, see, that's another one. Wearing gwisgo, gwylio, gwerthio. It's really hard. And I know some people will say this is me cheating, but if I don't do it this way, I'm not going to learn anything from this. especially since I don't know if it'll show me the answers afterward. I usually am doing this on my phone, so I'm not sure. Yeah. Quisco skert. Skert. Oh, I did get that right. I did spell it right. Skert. Oh, I don't remember stockings. Hosenai. I remember it was something like hose, but Dechin quisco skert a hosenai. Oh. Dechin. No, that's like. Huffy is like. It took me so long to remember, like to memorize how to spell Asia. Yeah, I don't remember bird. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all think this is cheating, but I mean, you might. But honestly, I'm just trying to learn. How many did I get right? Is a second hit review? What? I got 4 wrong. That's surprising. Duh. Blouse is like blouse. Frock is dress, like frock in English. I totally forgot that. Let's see what this one is. Okay, I was close with this one, right? I just kind of had it all mixed up. How about this one? Okay, yeah, I knew I misspelled Guerfi. And I also misspelled Esquitiai. But I was pretty close on that one. Honestly, I think they should have given me that one. I was pretty close. If you think they should have given me that one, let me know. And then this one... Yeah, this is something I've not yet figured out. Maybe you can tell me if you know. I never know whether I need to put dechin or dechi. Because sometimes I'll see it like this, where it's got the apostrophe in, and sometimes I'll see it without it, and so I never know when to use which. Also, if you don't use punctuation, I really don't think they should count that against you, because it's usually not required when you're doing the regular lessons on Duolingo. They usually don't care if you have punctuation. So this is the kind of thing where I think if it was a regular lesson, they would have given it to me. But because it's a test, they don't give it to me. Honestly, I thought there would be more in here, because I think there's a lot of other stuff that I learned in the first unit that wasn't asked here. So it's like it should be longer or more comprehensive or what. But I got 6 right and 4 wrong. So a lot of these, though, I was super close, except for this one. Except for this one. That was dumb. So hopefully I'll do better the next time I take another checkpoint in Welsh. Passed checkpoint 1. Well, I didn't ace it, but I passed it. Da yawn. Whew. Thanks for going through that with me. Mash that like button if you enjoyed laughing at all of my mistakes on that Welsh test. And if you are further along than me and you want to correct my grammar or give me some resources for all the other viewers, then please drop those in the comments below, especially if you're a native speaker. If you want to practice your Welsh or another language that you're learning with a native speaker and get a one-on-one lesson, then sign up for italki. It is an online community where you can find native speakers in your target language and have affordable one-on-one lessons with them. And I've got a link for that in the description below. Da iawn, diolch, hwyl.